nature, to adventure, to discover and conquer the wilderness. His name is Nighthawk Outdoors.
Very good afternoon. It's 3 o'clock on the 25th of May 2019. Just driving out of King's Moss at the moment. Dingo's in command.
Hey up.
And we're just heading off to meet, pick Sean up and Al, and then we're driving over to Delamere Forest for yet another wild camp. Slight sprinkling of rain at the minute. These fields look lovely at the moment with all the wheat in. Slight sprinkling of rain, but it's not forecast rain later on. It is for tomorrow morning, so yeah, come back to you in a bit when the other guys are with us and we're all ready to go. So a quick switch of cars with ammo now. We're en route to Delamere. So we've just docked at the Carriers Inn. Dingo. Cheers, Al. Sean. And there's Al molesting logs. As usual. Never mind lamp love, log love. We've just arrived at Delamere. We've parked up at the side of the road. Backpacks are on. Al's ready. Dingo and first time wild camper with us, Sean, on this one. Here we go. All set. Ready to boogie. Sean, first time wild camper, so he's going to experience it all tonight. We're going to have a little tipple in the woods. Well, once again, Roy Cropper's brought his weekly shopping with him. Stealth wild camping, this is called. Stealth wild camping.
Hey, living off the land.
There he goes, Roy Cropper with his shopping bags.
Yeah, hang on, I've got to get the microwave out the back.
Roy Cropper. There he is.
Hey, where's your base from on the back of
Listen, if I didn't have all this, you lot would perish and starve and actually tried in the woods.
Roy Cropper, aka Dad.
Yeah, I've got to be Dad. Look after you lot.
This is what it's all about, folks. This is what it's all about. Wankered in the wilderness. Mr. Squirrel. Go on, Roy. Go on, lad. You can do it.
We'll have this at a fucking friendly club here.
Forgive the P's and Q's, YouTube. But that's how we fucking roll. This is an interesting route. It's a bit lost. Just following the sat nav. Fuck it, over here. And then right. Not far from the lake now. Picked out a really nice point on Google Maps, which is just far enough away from the path, off the beaten track with some nice woodland and a nice clearing area by the lake. So fingers crossed, it'll be ideal when we get there, if we get there. So after about 40-minute tab, we've made it to the edge of the lake. So it's just a case of wading through there and finding a place on the lakefront. So we have arrived. So it's really quite boggy around here. The trees aren't that good. There's 3 of us using hammocks. So we're going to head straight across that way. Look at the deeper woodland. And try and find a speck in there which should sort us for the night. So we're desperately searching for a place, and as you can see, it's absolutely thick with foliage, bracken, thorns. In there looks quite appealing, maybe up through that gap there, and maybe find a secluded spot through that way. Boys, I've found it. Loads of dead wood, nice little dip, few trees, perfect. I think this could be our spot for the night. So I think this is us. Loads of dead standing wood. Perfect for a fire. And I think we'll get down in this little gully here. There's plenty of trees for the hammocks. Sorted. So as you can see, we've made it. Fucking mosquitoes everywhere. My tarp's going to go here on the floor, I think. Bingo setting his hammock up over there. Well, me and Al are going to be over here somewhere. Got to deal with these fucking insects, it's unbelievable. So as we've been getting attacked by mosquitoes, got a bit of a fire going. Just burns a bit of smoke off, gets rid of the little fuckers. Well, there it is, guys and girls. Bed for the night. That'll do the trick. Well, dusk is falling on Camp Tourette's, which is what we've nicknamed it because of the mosquitoes. Pardon my French, everybody on YouTube, but all you can hear every fucking few minutes. Sorry, I've got Tourette's myself while I'm going recording. Cunt, twat, piss, bollocks, get off you little twats, blah blah blah. But yeah, I think we've got more than enough deadfall that we've collected. Campfire's roaring. Getting the lamps on the go now, nice and ambient for the evening, chilling out. It's all looking good.
There you go, lamp lovers. Eat your heart out. Get that, lamp lovers. Right, here we go, steaks going on. Let's have a go with this.
Lying here in Al's hammock, and I've got to say it's very cosy. Don't know if you can see that, but there's the fire. Oh, I wish I had a hammock. I'm on the floor tonight. And as the embers of the fire die, and we're ready to get into our makeshift abodes for the evening, there is a creature over there that makes some crazy noises. And now, because I've decided to film, he stopped snoring. As you can see, Alan Snorus Mosquitoes is in his natural environment in the forest. We've managed to capture this rare occasion, and it's so special. Good night, Alan. Snoricus Magicus. Good morning. It's about it's about 5:30 a.m. The forest is alive, the birds are alive, and all I can hear is like that whizzing sound past your ears. Mosquitoes here are just incredible. We got bitten to fuck last night. Wow. I've over my forehead and everything. It's just incredible. But at least on this video we've got some morning stuff. Fucking things, Jesus. Give you a quick tour. That's the backside of the tarp shelter, and obviously my mat. Good morning. Well, after 3 hours kip and getting bitten to fuck, pardon my French, all packed up. That's where I was last night. Done, clean. Gonna leave everywhere as we found it. We're getting out of Dodge. The amount of mosquitoes is just fucking unbelievable, to say the least. I look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards. I've got itches on my nose, I've got bites on my lips, fucking forehead, everything else. It's been an absolute pleasure. See you in a bit.